In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to a text in Reddit. Being able to turn a word or a phrase into a clickable link makes your post look cleaner and more professional, and it also helps keep long URLs from cluttering up your text. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end you'll be able to confidently add links to any text in your Reddit posts. First, open Reddit and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the home page, look for the button that says Create or Create Post. This is usually found near the top of the screen. Click on that button to start a new post. Next, you'll see the post editor. Here, you can choose the community you want to post in and select the type of post you're making, usually a text post. In the text area, begin typing out what you want to say. Write your post as you normally would and decide which word or short phrase you want to turn into a link. For example, you might write something like, "Check out this article," and plan to make the words "this article" clickable. Once your text is in place, highlight the exact word or phrase you want to link. After you highlight it, look just above the text box for a small toolbar. In that toolbar, you should see an icon that looks like a chain link or says Add Link when you hover over it. Click on this link icon. A small window or field will appear asking for a URL. This is where you paste the web address you want people to visit when they click on your text. Make sure you've already copied the link from your browser so you can paste it here. Right-click and paste, or use your usual paste shortcut, and confirm by clicking the button to insert or apply the link. You should now see that your selected text is formatted as a hyperlink.